You guys can figure this out. So I put a new filter on it. I've rebuilt the filter head. I've purged the system. I'll prime it up. It's tough eventually. Doesn't leak. Everything's sealed up all nicely. So I come over here. And that's all it'll do. I'll purge it and it'll let some air out, and then I'll prime it again and I don't know what's going on with this damn thing. I just replaced the fuel sending unit, so there's probably error in the system from that. I don't know if I just gotta work my way through that. Everything's put back together correctly in there. So I don't know if I just have to work my way through all the air that's in the system from that sending unit, and just a little bit at a time. But it sounds almost like it's starving for fuel. I have no idea. So if you guys can figure it out, I am open to suggestions.